Alrighty, so we're going to do a few more examples of this. Hopefully this one is a little bit easier for you, the one we're about to do. So this is going to be number 2. And this is going to be 3y equals 15x minus 12. So hopefully this one's a little bit easier. The x is already on the other side, so that's good. We just need to get our y alone. So again, let's go through the steps. Barrier, got it. There's nothing to distribute. There's nothing to combine. We need to isolate, obviously. We just talked about that. So in order to get y alone, again, here's where it's a little bit different than anything you've done before. When you do this and you have to get a variable alone and there are more than one term on the other side, or on either side really, you have to divide to every single term. So that means I'm dividing 3y by 3, 15x by 3, and that minus 12 by 3. So I know that sounds a little weird, and it is. But that's why sometimes when you guys wanted to divide early, I was like, let's not yet, because it's a little hard. So if you go through this, this cancels out, leaving you with y. 15 divided by 3 is 5, bring down my x. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and we're just going to bring down our minus. So this would be y equals 5x minus 4. All right, let's try another one. So number 3 is going to be 9x plus 3y equals positive 3. 9x plus 3y equals positive 3. So again, this one has the x and y on the same side. So we're going to need to move some things. I want to get the y to be alone. All right, that's my goal. So I circle the term that has y to begin with to start that process. The same side but not circled is this 9x. It's a positive, right? So the inverse of that would be minus 9x on both sides. Notice how I don't put my 9x underneath my 3 because I know that those are not like terms, so I don't want myself to get confused by that. So I put like things underneath like things. These two are not underneath. That cancels out. I'm left with my positive 3y. I have my negative 9x, and the reason that I put it before the 3 is because I try to keep my y equals mx plus b, and if I put the 3 first, it wouldn't be in that form, and I just like it to be, okay? Same thing here. This time, now I can separate these two. The y is here, the 3 is next to it. What's that mean? They're being multiplied. The inverse of that is divide. So I'm going to divide by 3. Every single term is divided by 3. That leaves me with 1y, or just y. Negative 9 divided by positive 3 is negative 3x. Obviously, I just brought my x down. And positive 3 divided by 3 is just positive 1. So that would be that equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, we're going to let's do 2 more.